Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to easily create a street lights glow effect in After Effects. Let's get started. This effect works best with footage shot at night, like in my example. Since there are many lights in the background, we can enhance them by making them glow, brighter, and more colorful. Let's begin by duplicating the original clip and temporarily turning off the bottom layer. Next, click toggle switches / modes and change the blend mode of the duplicated layer to screen. Now apply the Luma key effect to that layer. Increase the threshold value to isolate the highlights. In my case, a value around 180 works well. This setting depends on your footage and lighting, so adjust it until your video looks similar. The dark areas should become darker, while the highlights remain isolated and visible. After that, increase the edge feather to 5. This softens the edges of the keyed areas, helping the glow blend more smoothly into the image. Now apply a glow effect. I'll be using the Deep Glow plugin. If you don't have it, you can use the built-in glow effect, which works just fine. This will add glow to the isolated highlights and make them brighter in the scene. Next, add a Gaussian blur effect and increase the blurriness to around 50. This helps soften the glow and spread it more naturally, creating a smoother and more cinematic light bloom. Let's add one final effect, tint. Before adjusting it, turn the bottom clip back on. In the tint effect, change map white to any color you want for the background to achieve a cyberpunk style look. Since we've isolated the highlights, only the background lights will be affected by this color. Let's preview the video. We're done, and it looks great. If the highlights feel too strong, press T on the keyboard and lower the layer's opacity to reduce the brightness. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.